We're on the 6th floor landing here in Collegetown Center. The elevator is on our right. I wanted to show you where the location of this apartment 629 is as we go enter it. This door on our right is one of the stairwells of the building, and then the apartment door is our next door over here. Let's go on into the apartment. You can see we have our kitchen on the right. There's the refrigerator, the sink, the dishwasher is underneath. There's the microwave and the stove and oven, and you can see the assorted cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen area. In this style of apartment, the bathroom is directly across from the kitchen, so let's go take a look. It's the same style bathroom we have in the other units, so we'll have that standing tub shower, the vanity with the sink that does open for more storage, the toilet and the medicine cabinet there on the wall that does open for more storage as well for small items, and you have some assorted towel racks as well. As we go into the main part of the room, you'll see the closet on the right. Let's get that open. So we've got some good storage space here for you in the apartment. As we go into the apartment, you can see the furnishings. So the furnishings will always be the same items, but the style may vary by unit. But we will have that dining table and chair, full-size bed, a tall bookshelf, a desk and chair, and here in this unit we have the dresser over along the wall over here. You can arrange the furniture however you like within the apartments, and certainly different ways of laying out the furniture will give you either a more open feel or a more cozy feel within the apartment. So it's a good idea to experiment and move things around to get them settled how you like. You can see that nice patch of sunshine over here by the window and these great angle style windows. So we have this extra window space here in this angle style apartment. Let's go over and we'll take a look. I'm going to show you the angle window next door so you can see how much it does stick out from the building. So that's extra space just here in these angle style apartments. And again, we're on the 6th floor, so that's the top floor of this building. So we have great views. It's nice and open out here. We're on the south side of the building, so that's the sunnier side of the building. You can see College Avenue is over there to our left, and you can see some of our parking areas. There is part of the College Ave parking lot that enters from College Ave, and the other parking area is part of our Upper Dryden parking that we enter from the west end of the building. Those parking spaces are assigned parking spaces available for rent. If you do happen to have one of these spaces on the farther side of the parking lot, you can certainly see your car, which is a nice feature. So check out our parking videos for those overviews, and make sure you get your parking settled as well. So here we are in apartment 629. We're at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown, located just 1 block from campus.